Hello, everybody. How's it going? How you doing today? Happy Saturday. Happy Monday. How was your weekend? If you can't tell, mine was busy. I mean, not like busy. I'm just tired. Get the timer out of there. Yeah, Saturday. It's Saturday somewhere in the world. Why is my model not picking up my big smile when I laugh? It's going maw. I don't know why. Steampunk, good job being first. Blueberry Bean, it's wonderful to see you today. Snail, nice to see you. Aid, you go low. You said lower. In the flow, I draw flower. We'll make sure to change the welcome board to that. About web fishing last night? Ooh, web fishing is great. And wonderful to see you. That's a fact, Jack. Enjoy your lurk, Jack. I will hydrate. Nom 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 nom. Yeah, how are you all doing? It's good to see you. I have to get my screen mirroring set up. Did you guys do anything over the weekend? I just came back from a restaurant. My fella's dad took him and me out for lunch. Dinner. It was at 4. But we got there late and then it took longer than I expected. So, you know, so it goes. That's just what happens. I'll put that there. I'll put this here. What are you guys up to? Lunner. Yeah, it is kind of lunner. Snail, have you been enjoying web fishing? I played it a little bit. We're gonna be playing it more on Friday for our Ghost Town stream. Let's see. Add to my reference album. Yes. Yes, indeed. Where are you? There you are. All right. Sweet. Web fishing? It's a game on Steam. Oh. There we go. Yeah, there we go. It's a game on Steam where I don't know, you're on the web and you're fishing. It's pretty much. I've heard of it before. It's fun. I played it quite a bit. I mean, not as much as it seems a lot of my Momo, what's up with you? Not as much as it seems a lot of my peeps did. They're like going to the void and stuff like that, and I'm like, how does that work? Ghost Town mentioned? Yes, absolutely. In fact, I just made a little graphic to show off on Friday. Tomo's in a mood today, I guess. Let's see. Yippee! Ghost Town is a community for supporting streamers, artists, and other creators. Yeah, so this Friday we'll have a little party, and we'll have the Ghost Town Council peeps over, and we'll play web fishing, and we'll have an Aggie board. That too. I'm still deciding on just how it's gonna be. It might just be like a plain Aggie board with a, you know, a little color in the background or something like that. But that sounds fun, you know. I already had like $40 on Steam from years ago, and it's only $5. Yeah, web fishing isn't expensive. Yeah, this Friday, 6 o'clock, Ferry EST. I'll see you there. I'll see you here at this very webpage. So on to the thing that we're actually doing today. Do you guys like to draw? Do you guys like flowers? If so, we're drawing flowers. Hi Jinx, welcome in. I just remembered I have to change the welcome board real quick. All my money goes to Planet Zoo DLCs. Well, that's awesome. Yes, I'm 3D now. I can see you in more dimensions. How you doing, Jinx? Hi, Buzzbot. Let's see. Where is it? There it is. And it's like that. You go low, I go lower. In the flow, I draw the flower. It's too big. Hello, new chatter. You've sent a very fun copy pasta. Hold on, let me finish adjusting this, and we'll address that real quick. How do I change the text size? that work? We'll go 205. There we go. I'm happy with that. Dear Sugoi Senpai, my Kokoro goes doki doki every time I see you. Flushed emoji, sparkle emoji. You're more kawaii than any 2D waifu, and I can't help but feel like a baka for not confessing sooner. Pleading emoji, 2 hearts emoji. Without you, my life is like instant ramen without seasoning. Bland and soulless. Ramen emoji, broken heart emoji. I want to protect you like a shonen protagonist protects his nakama. And maybe one day, hold your hand. So lewd, flushed emoji. Please notice me, senpai. Crying emoji. Praying emoji. My love for you is more infinite than the fillers in Naruto. Forever yours, Baka Protag. Pleading emoji, sparkle emoji. Nice to meet you. That was interesting. Makoto Rizto. Aid. I gotta head out for now, but have a good stream, everyone, especially Cheesecake. I bet on Cheesecake and the one who will have the best stream races. Racing? The filler episodes is so real. Hey, thank you. I like your face. Cast a spell on you? Perhaps you want to be stronger, but I will just make your toes longer. Whoopage! And now all your toes are 1 millimeter longer. Bye, Aid. So, if you look in the Discord server, if you have a peek in the announcements channel, I have these 3 pictures of flowers. I've put them in the announcements channel. And we're going to draw them. So that, in the hopes that it would bring us just a bit closer to being, Michelangelo. Hi, Booty. So we're gonna start with these lovely daffodils. Is she grandma? So many flowers. I don't know what you mean, but you're spitting. Also, at the end of the stream, we're gonna have a look at all of the, all of the studies that we did. I think perhaps we'll set a timer for the studies too. How does 20 minutes sound to you guys? 20 minutes for each flower? Half-hour flower? I think we'll go for a half-hour flower. Sound good? I don't mind if she grandma. I'll be looking because I'm drawing. Sounds good. Enjoy your drawing. And you're lurking. Enjoy both. Whoops, that's the wrong brush. Goes into the shadows. Whoosh. So this lovely little daffodil, they have 6 petals going out. And then they have this cool trumpet-like guy. And then all the little flower organs are in there. They got these prickly little... Oh no, they're not prickly stems, it's just like the top of a bottle. You know, like that. It's a little hard to see. Can I get 100 fairy bucks if his name is Trumpet Flower? I think trumpet flowers, I think those are a real thing. I'm pretty sure these are daffodils though. Yeah, trumpet flowers hang down. Like that. Or I guess they go out like these ones. Oh, this one's pretty. The timer's going! The timer's ticking! Guys, we have to draw flowers! So every Monday we're gonna do a little art study day. That's the plan, at least. Get all this detail in. Too bad for 100 non-existent bucks. The fairy bucks are real to me. I gotta go spend them at the fairy grocery store to buy Tomo fairy bird pellets. Oh, right, that reminds me, the exclamation mark Tomo picture of Tomo is still broken. I gotta fix that. For fairy bread and fairy peanut butter for my fairy sandwich. Yeah, exactly, and fairy jelly. Okay, so on the inside they have this sort of... See, the thing that always gets me about flowers is this sort of weird perspective on the petals sometimes that you get. Like, this thing is flat. How am I supposed to draw it coming out at me, you know? That's always been kind of difficult for me. One of the struggles about flowers for me. So we have this part kind of coming down, and then it goes close to there, then oh. Buzzbot got because she tried to copy the the Discord link message. Oof. I'm also gonna, I think, kind of try to do this no erase. And then there's like, it just goes up like that over here. A little shading in there. There's a little bits in there. Okay, okay. And then we'll get a little shading down here. These flowers, or these petals, go out. Like that. That one like that. Hi Saito, welcome in. Hi, Ilibashi, nice to meet you. Ilibashi, that's a cute name. Arcane Season 2 premiere? That's a cool badge. I didn't know that they were like premiering it on Twitch or anything like that. That's cool. Drawing's going fun so far. We're doing studies. If you want to join in, they're half-hour studies. If anybody wants to join in, and we'll have a look at them at the end. Sorta. And there is where the the petal sort of ends on the other side. Then we go around. Well, there's already a bird in here! Riot Games did the premiere. Oh, sweet. Yeah, that's cool that you get a badge for that. Oh. I formally convey my bread. Num 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 num. Thank you, Hecho. Bread. Bread. 3 stream streak. Let's go, Hecho. Well done. Well done, my boy. Oh, that one looks kind of rough. Then we got, let's see, was up there? That looks right to me. There's one over on this end. How you doing today, Hecho? How's your Monday been? Okay, so this flower, this petal doesn't go out much further than that. And it sort of curves up over here. Yeah, I'll take it. Hi, Chris Paul, welcome back. Hi, Ptolemy. You streamed recently, didn't you? How'd it go? Yeah. Nice little lines and stuff. Flower studies. Yes, we're studying flowers. I got 3 pictures of flowers here. I posted them all on my Discord server where I have a timer going, but I don't I don't know if I can or want to keep it to 30 minutes. I feel like it's a little more casual than that, you know? I streamed some Phasmo on Saturday with a friend. It went pretty well. We caught a few ghosts and we got caught by a few ghosts. I've never actually played Phasmo before. It was my first stream on my new PC. Ooh, new PC! That's always so much fun. I highly recommend it. It's coming from a person who doesn't normally like horror games. Yeah, because it's like silly, right? It's a little silly. We like a little sea shanty on a Monday evening. RuneScape sea shanty. You don't play Phasmophobia, Phasma plays with you. Yeah, I gotta try it sometime. Do it right there. And on the edge here. And a little swoop. A little over here. Some of the ghosts are really difficult to find. Yeah, I gotta give it a try sometime. Maybe I'll get together with the Ghost Town peeps and we'll play together sometime. I think I'm gonna scooch this beautiful flower over a bit. What's up, Toma? He's going beep beep beep. Come here, kiss. Give me a kiss, sweetie bird. That's a good boy. He likes the whistling. He's in an achy mood lately, I'm not sure why. It's probably the chilly weather. If you need someone to guide you through it, I'm available. I won't be any good because I barely know anything about it, but I'm available. Okay, sweet. Okay, let's get this other flower. This one's a little daunting, maybe. I'll start start with this rightmost pedal. Here, should we do this screen so you can get a little more? Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, that's alright. That pedal like that. Not perfect, but that's okay. It doesn't need to be. Studies are not about being perfect. Studies are about muscle memory and analyzing and learning. And the base of the little trumpet thing in the middle. And sort of make the outline there. Make it go up right there. Yeah. Oh, sometimes I confuse Phasmophobia with Lethal Company. They both kind of got popular at the same time. Pronoun check. Hi, Snail. We're cashing in our pronoun checks. Feel free to throw your pronouns in chat if you like, just so that we know what to call you, so we can get to know you better. I use they, them, or am, air. As in, they went to the store and bought themselves a pie. Or A went to the store and bought himself a pie. Maybe. Let's get this freely situation around the trumpet. They, them, too, the cooler version. Oh, I'm so jealous. This one goes up quite a bit, actually. And then back down. And then sort of wiggle. Wiggle fold, they, them for Tommy. Good to know. I don't think I did know that. Ooh, this music is so calming. I'll trade you my pronouns for a Badoo. The Badoo from Prismatic Evolutions. I wonder when they're reprinting that. Let me check Pokebeach real quick. I guess I haven't checked in a little while. Oh, oh, it's a playmat, but it looks, it's shaped. Cute little binder. This is such a good binder, actually. I want it. Oh, in Prismatic Evolutions, Only Pokemon can be Master Balls. That makes sense. I suppose that makes sense. A Gumi binder! I will trade them for a flesh in which I no longer feel restricted. I know what you meant, Snail. Yeah, no, I feel you, Ptolemy. I feel you. We are Gumi. Yeah, it's such a good binder. Hey, hey. Ugh. And the sleeves and the deck box. Oh, the timer keeps ticking. Well, I'll leave it for you guys if you were timing your own art. Ooh, Midnight Agent. Fun. That's really fun. It has booty on it. Yeah, that's what you should have said, Buzz. This is actually really cool. Nice sleeves and deck box. The substitute design. Substitute doll. Oh, that's great. I would use that. I would put a snack in there. I'm taking your job, Buzz. Yeah, honestly, you're doing it better. A snack. Does it come with those? This nice little green dice. Image counter dice. I haven't done any TCG in so long. I'm getting back into it lately. I desire a manted-like form with 4 legs, 6 arms, and a 3-jawed mouth. Let's go. You know, that makes a lot of sense. When I find a new else he has to go to, I'll totally be making a new deck. Yeah! Some River-Vroom, some Clink Clang and Cling Clang. You know my favorite thing about these guys? Their Japanese name? It's Gear, Gigear, and Gigigear. Gear evolves into Gigear, evolves into Gigigear. I think that's silly. Ooh, Iron Valiant and Roaring Moon, super like comic book style. Oh, that's so good. I'm looking for Prismatic Evolution stuff. Miraculous from Battle Partners, Switch 2 announced. Mayhem and Brawls, this is what I was actually... Over 151 products, that's not what I was looking for. Upcoming trading feature explained, Battle Partners... Stuff gets revealed. Pincurchin EX, that's fun. Did you see the pull rates? Special illustration rare is twice as easy to pull. Huh. Oh, but it makes it much harder to pull an Umbreon EX. 1 in 45 packs. Special illustration rares are now twice as easy to pull as the last 4 sets. Oops. I'm pulling my mic around. Pokeball Reverse Hollows. Yeah, I got... Oh, he's not even on here. Crispin. No, not Crispin. Boy. You know, boy. Kieran. Master Balls are 1 in 20. If I somehow pull a Pokeball or Master Ball, Goldeen or Seeking or Badoo, I'll be so happy. Here's hoping. Fingers crossed for you. Pokeball Buddy Buddy Poffins are actually pretty cheap. Ooh. Leafeon Master Ball Hollow. Whoa, I'm so tired. It's chilly in here. I have my window shut. But it was open just a little bit earlier today because We get because we get the thing about the heating in my house is that it heats my room really, really well, whereas the rest of the house doesn't get heated quite as well. So I had my window cracked just a little bit to keep it from getting too warm in here, but it backfired, I guess. I forgot what we were looking for, but yeah. There's Prismatic Evolutions. It's out. Oh, I suppose I was looking for news that something crazy happened. I don't know, I was expecting it. You know, it's pretty fun drawing these frilly little ends. That's pretty good, I would say. And then listen and swoop. Swoop it down like that. Yeah. Looks thicker than it should be, maybe. Cause this should be like that. So this should be like that. I know I said I'm not erasing, but I'm erasing. There, that does look better. Take that out like that. And shoo. Yay. Chris Paul, your little bird is so cute. He's so dapper. It's a pretty good combination, the bow tie, the hat, and the black bird. I like it. We're gonna be working on more stream avatar stuff tomorrow. I'm an educated crow. That petal, go down there. Oh yes, ready for any occasion. I wonder what's going on down here. Underneath the flowers. Ooh, it's so chilly in here. The timer is gone, but that's fine. Hi, Q! The occasion being stealing shiny things, of course, as any upstanding Blackbird should. Don't make this next stream of cheesecake. I make a tier list of human body parts? What are you talking about, Saito? I mean, let's see. I mean, what kind of body parts would get S tier? I think eyeballs would, right? They're such complex little mechanisms, and they really translating the light and shapes into something that a brain can process. I don't know. That's pretty great. The heart? Yeah, a heart would be S tier. Did I say hi, Q? It's good to have you here, buddy. How you doing? We're talking about body part tier lists for some reason, and failing at keeping to the timer on our study. F tier. Absolutely the appendix. Exists for no reason but to explode. I think C tier we could put, like, feet. Because they're, you know, they're really helpful. They help you get around. But then they start to stink, and you have to wash them. My brother says he likes eyelids. Eyelids are pretty good. When I was a kid, I asked my my grandma why we have eyelashes, and she said to keep the bugs out of our eyes. to somehow give me the impression that there are bugs trying to get into our eyes all the time, and our last defense is our eyelashes. No, it was why do we blink? That's what it is. Keep the bugs from getting in our eyes. I would put hands in S tier, because they're pretty handy. Yeah, they come in handy. There where high fives come from? Yeah, hands are S tier for sure. I could do a human body part tier list. I guess I got opinions on the human body. It's kind of gross with the foot one. Hydrate, thank you, Jack. No. Delicious cold water. Islet of Longerhands is obviously S tier. Welcome in, the most okayest medic. It's nice to meet you. How are you? Oh, your brother? Islet of Longerhands. What is that? Da, 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 da. It's not zooming in properly. This is best you get. Groups of pancreatic cells secreting insulin and glucagon. Glucagon? Which transformer is that? I'm gonna go to images. Oh. It's just like pancreas pics. Well, these things, they give up, don't they? Hashtag pancreas. Oh, the bugs. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to gross you out while you're eating, Saito. Whoops. Hashtag pancreas. Hashtag pancreas gang. Get some shading going. Whoops, that's too dark. That's okay, we can work with this. Come on. You've got a lot to say today. He's got a lot to say today. Here, how about you come say it to the mic? Come here, up. Up. Mm-hmm. Tomo Q likes you. I literally stood up to type out of excitement. He loves you! Q loves you! You know that? He has a lot to say. Yeah, listen to my new album. What a good birdie. Da-dum-dum. Bit down from here. He's so beautiful. He's got such a beautiful little voice. I was like, when I heard Islet of Langerhans, I was like, that's like a geographical thing. That's a geographical location. But I guess I was wrong. Who's going to Langerhans Island with me to get longer hands? Yeah. Perhaps not perfect, but it'll do. It doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, and now let's shade the petals. I've been reading the Transformers comics a little bit, the IDW comics. Does anybody have any experience with that? It's been fun so far. I found a little watch order, like post, not watch order, but like reading order Tumblr post. Or I asked a friend and she sent it to me. The post. And then I learned that my manga reading app can do comics too. What are you doing, Tomo boy? He's standing on my knee and like getting mad. Why you do that? Silly bird. He's been so touchy lately, I don't know why. Maybe just because it's chilly in here. He's got his food and water. I don't need cheap viewers. No, thank you. I already have viewers. And I don't have to pay for them to be here. Thank you, bot. Do we have any comics readers with us today? I read webtoons a lot, but that's different from reading, like, comics that get, like, published in issues that have, numbered releases and stuff like that. It's a bit different from manga, too. They're a meh to me, I just don't like reading, that's fair. There we go. Okay, and we'll put the little stems. I think there was some layering that was done wrong here, but oh well, what can you do? Beautiful. We draw the daffodils. Did anybody else draw flowers with us? Because we'll show it on screen. We'll also do these other ones. What's the month? 2025. Your little signature, huh? It's my wing. I didn't draw flowers, but I drew little buildings. Ooh. You can send it in chat if you like. Or not in chat, but in the Discord server. Ooh, looks like Archer's cooking. Personal project, no problem. Let's do another one. Shoop. I actually want to do this one. I want to paint this one. This one seems more fun to paint than to draw. And I don't have a lot of experience with painting, so, like, I kind of do, but I also kind of don't. Where is... I don't have it over here? I suppose not. This one. There's a particular brush. I think it might be in here. There it is. There we go. We use this one for painting. Hi, Ginger Fox. Welcome in. I'm sure you're a wonderful artist. Aw, thank you. I'll let you judge for yourself. I made this whole overlay myself. I don't know, I drew these flowers. Nice to meet you. How you doing today? How was your weekend? So, color matching is the thing that gets me about painting. I'm gonna make this background here. Just something rough. Let's reset the timer too. Adorable, appreciate it, Ginger Fox. Bit of this kind of stuff here and there. And then we got this lighter grayish, greenish, tealish situation. If you'd like to join us in drawing these, in studying these flowers. Oops, I typed the wrong thing. You can hop on the Discord server, and in the announcements channel we got the pictures. We got like a cooler, like blue-gray situation going on. Yeah, it's rare that I actually paint, but here we are. I'm happy to be painting as well. Cheesecake this time of the day? Hi, little robot. Yes, I had to delay the stream by a couple hours because Um, my fella's dad took me and my fella out for lunch, for dinner lunch. It was like 4, but we were late, and you know, I started later. Welcome in, little robot. Good to see you. Let's get a little bit of that, like, brighter bluish gray sort of color. Yeah, that looks nice. Wow, you're first! Welcome in, Sanjay! Good to see you! I feel like it's been a sec. I'd say that's a pretty good base. I like the smell of the wind and the pre-tempest. That's so beautiful, little robot. That's our question of the day. What's your favorite smell? I hadn't really thought of it, actually, until this very moment, what my favorite smell is. I was like, oh, this will be a good question of the day. Certainly, like, a pre-rain wind smell is pretty good. I mean... excuse me. The smell of bread being baked? Ugh. Pastries? Yeah. But like specifically like bread. Bread being baked is such a good smell. Cucumber melon is underrated. It's good, but is it underrated? I agree with you. I really like cucumber melon. Cucumbers are my favorite fruit. But I think because... maybe because there's like... cucumber melon anything. Everything. Like, it's a very common scent. I like the smell of donuts. Donuts have a good smell. Yeah, freshly baked bread. That's good stuff. This is an interesting color match to do. It was fun though. Yeah, these colors are fun. You got some like yellower flecks going on. They're sort of yellow greenish. Whoops. I don't know what kind of flower this is either. It's kind of strange. I love a good strange flower. Ooh. The thought struck me, it looks a little bit like teeth. Gross. What happens when a flower gets angry? It's pistoled off. Hi, Beanie, welcome in. I think you and Aid might have a pun fight if this keeps going. How you doing? It's a little later in the day, so a sleepy wiggles. We got a sleepy little guy. Sleepy little guy alert. I think we'll throw out these things. Let's make that thinner. I'm gonna focus on one little cluster at a time. Just to try to get the sort of patterns right. These are kind of freaky. This is kind of a freaky flower. Weird flower. I had my alarm set for 7, but I woke up at 6 instead and couldn't fall back asleep. Sometimes that happens, you know? I have to get some Red Bull before stream later. When you streaming? How many hours from now? Just to keep things time zone appropriate. About an hour and a half. Sweet. Good stuff. Good stuff. Water. Good water. Let's see, how long have I been live for? I think when we finish this one, I'll take a little BRB and then we'll do an art share when we get back. Or, you know, when the timer runs out. I don't know if I'll be done quite in time for that. Okay, now that I've sort of got a sense of the kinds of patterns it does, I think I'll try, like, freehanding it. I showed Val and Charlie the 2017 Power Rangers movie. I forgot. Oh, Rita Repulsa's staff is covered in human teeth. Ew! That's gross. Ick. I mean, that's repulsive, alright. It's in her name, I suppose. What a weird flower. Are you sure it's human teeth? It could be like elf teeth. Oops. Is there elves in Power Rangers? Okay, then I'm gonna put some of this pink on the ends of most of these. Take the opacity down a little bit just to get more paint vibes going. I'll kick that up a little too. Both alien elves and magical elves. And magical alien elves. Wonderful. Alien elves is a fun concept. Very Japanese elf or Japanese alien. Like JoJo did it with that one guy in part 4. You guys know part 4 is my favorite JoJo part? I really like how it was sort of more lower stakes. More local stakes is the thing. That's what I like about it. Ooh, I'm only halfway through part 3. Sweet. Keep watching. It's a good time. Seeing eyes on a salad? I can kind of see it. I don't know how people who paint like all the time do it. I imagine it gets tedious. Or I would get, maybe I personally would just get a little stir crazy about it. Or impatient. Ooh, such odd petals. They're round. I should keep them round. Lurk, enjoy your lurk, Beanie. It's kind of alien. But it's kind of, the picture's kind of starting to shape up. It's beginning to look like what I intend it to be. That's the thing about painting. It involves so much, like, suddenly becoming the thing that you want it to look like. Pixel art's kind of like that too. It's like you're working on it and it's like, eh, but then you zoom out and you're like, oh, it looks nice now. So we got these weird shapies. These sure are odd little shapies. These shapies make me think of Dandadan for some reason. Like there was maybe some character or creature in Dandadan that reminded me of that. Take a brighter pink. Brighter. When's the last time y'all did an art study? For me, it's been a little while. No, that's not true, actually. I did a portrait study, but I didn't like it, so I never posted it anyway. And like I said earlier, a study is not meant to look good. I mean, it certainly can look good. I think these daffodils look very nice. But it's not the point of a study to look good. Just to squeeze information out. That's all. Get your brain used to drawing things like this. I don't know how much I'll have to be drawing things like this, but I thought it was interesting and looked fun to draw. Ooh, thank you for following, Ivania Scarlet. Nice to meet you, I'm Cheesecake. Let's take this red. Then I want to take some of this sort of whitish cream, put it on the ends here. Give it just a little extra, I'll make it brighter even. A little extra dimension. Okay, and then we put it in the middle here. Because it's got this sort of odd structure. I don't think I did the structure quite right, but that's alright. That's okay. I want to kind of push the dimensionality. It's chilly in here. I think I'll add some like shading under in this area because we have some more defined petals down near the bottom here. Ooh, I'm so unused to drawing without, like, lines. In fact, there's sort of more going on down here. mean, it is fun. Maybe I should paint more. Just in general. Stardew Valley music? Yeah, it's good stuff. Little dimension on these petals. The question becomes, how much is overdoing it? But then I guess the other question becomes, how much time do we have left? You see that timer? I think I'm comfortable ending with the timer. You know what? It kind of shaped up. Just the two of us. One minute or 1 second. I think I'll just define this area a little better. This sort of middle area. I don't think I left enough room for myself, but that's fine. Just the two of us. Okay. Yeah. I'm happy with this. This is cute. If blur out the edge like this. Do I like that better? No. We'll leave it patchy. And we'll sign it. And then we'll take a little break. Yippee! Thank you. We'll take a little break. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, that's fine. And when we come back, we'll do an art share. So, starting soon. If you're working on something and you want to share it, or if you made something lately and you want to share it, get that link ready. I'll leave basketball running, and I'll be back in 10 minutes. Stretch your legs, stretch your hands, stretch your arms, stretch your ears, stretch your eyelashes. I'll be right back. I've been muted this whole time. Ha! I'm back. I'm back, ladies and gentlemen, and other things. We cannot hear you. Thank you for letting me know, Chris Ball and Anne. I'm just silly. That's me. Me silly. Has anybody else been doing this with us? Making the flowers? Studying the flowers? Discord or Blue Sky links? I threw the Discord link. Beep, Discord. I guess I also did it with my other commands. But yeah, there's my Discord. And I think I follow you on Blue Sky. Bisky. There's my Bisky. I gotta make a command for that too. Oh yeah, you followed me 3 days ago. Oh! You're so right. Yes, Discord links and Blue Sky links are fully allowed. Are A-okay. Yeah. I forgot we're doing art share. Yes, so if anybody has any art to share, art share time, ding 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 ding, bring me your art. Feed me your art so that I may sustain my life. Throw your Blue Sky link or Discord attachment in chat and we'll pull it up on stream. Okay? Sound good? There's a doggy on my Blue Sky feed. Ooh. Oh, okay, yeah. So this was the one that I saw before. The Game Boy-esque palette. And this is the colored one. Ooh. It's like the caption says it's a 16-bit recolor. So nice. So pretty. You know, the thing is, last time when you showed me this one, I sort of didn't notice the two figures over here. But then they stood right out once you brought this one. Yeah. Oh, these are so nice. They're so good. Pixel art is so wonderful. All these little bits and foliages. Delicately and intentionally placed. Come on, boy. Come here. Delicately and intentionally placed. They look very nice. All the shading and on the ohm. It's moody. It's a nice mood. Very nice. Wonderful work, Chris Ball. If anybody else has any art to share, thank you for sharing, Chris Ball. If anybody else has anything to share, throw it in chat. We're still doing art share. Okay. I thought these flowers would be interesting to do. Just to draw these ones, I'm not gonna paint them. Because one of the things that I sort of struggle with is, like, this one would be nice and easy. But one of the things that I sort of struggle with flowers is the different angles. I believe these are dahlias. I believe. Let's fact check ourselves. Dahlias. Toma, you're standing on my keyboard, buddy. Yeah. You hear that? That was the sound of his little feet. Oh, dahlias look different. Oh, sometimes they look different. I don't know. Because we got these, like, round ones. But then we have these more open ones. Like round with a lot of petals, and then these more open ones with less petals than the other ones. These sure are fascinating looking flowers, huh? Oh, you can't really see it that well. These ball dahlias, I suppose? Aren't they gorgeous? Very nice. I think these might be dahlias. I may be wrong. I would venture to say so. Let's get us a nice... look at like a nice dark purple brush. Muted purple. Okay. Let's go over here. Oh, hidden layer. Wrong brush. Geez, you think I ever draw? I like the interesting layering going on here. There's even this petal that's sort of folded in on itself. I wonder why I did that. Whoa. It's funny when the photo app tries to do that. Add sticker. What is that? Anyway. Zooming out. That was all that I needed. Just a little bit of zoom out. Just do a big shape for the center there. And this little swoop. I'll make a vague shape for the outside too, just to sort of guide where the ends of the petals should be. Cheesecake! Hi, FT Waste! Welcome in, Waste! I'm doing pretty good. Ooh! Thanks for following, Fab Foo. That's a cool name. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. We're doing some studies. We're doing some art studies. You know I'm all nature-y and all that. But I'm like unconfident in my ability to draw flowers. Like I think I draw flowers and they look alright. Like they look nice. They look okay. But I don't think they look good. Boy, howdy do I. I don't remember what I asked you. But I'm glad you do. Maybe the question is, do you be doing well? And you say, boy, howdy do I. I don't even remember. My short-term memory it's crazy. Hi, Tie-Dye Galaxy Wolf. Nice to meet you, Wolf. I'm Cheesecake. I go by Cheesecake, and I go by they, them, or am aired pronouns. I hope you're doing well today. Oh yes, I'm all naturey and stuff. Absolutely, I am. So today we're sharpening up on our drawing flowers skill. Earlier I did these little daffodils. That's this picture. I'm quite happy with these. They're a little messy, but hey, who's counting? And we did this guy. Painted this strange alien creature. Well, it's really good. Why is you're too kind? No way they're not good. I appreciate it. You're so sweet. And I'm doing good, Wolf. I just went out to like a seafood place with my fiance, my fella, and his dad. And so I'm full of crab. I'm full of crab and shrimp right now. Yeah, studies. Doing studies. I'm also tired and it's kind of chilly in my room. I wish it was warmer, but the heating can only come in so fast, I suppose. Crab and shrimp. Oh yeah, it was wonderful. And I had like just enough to be satisfied. So like there's, oops, hidden layer again. There's like starving, right? And then hungry, and then neutral, and then satisfied, and then full, and then overstuffed. This was satisfied. This is full. I was about here. And that's a very nice place to be. How was your weekend? It's not often that I stream at this time. Oh, but I will be streaming at this sort of time of day on Friday. I'm gonna have my Ghost Town housewarming party. Ghost Town is a lovely little community made by friend of the stream, Papa Phantom. It's just a community made for building up fellow creatives and giving them visibility and helping them out. It's a good cool place. Weekend was fine, way too freaking cold, but what else is new? Yeah, you sure it's cooler in your city? I don't. I am perfectly happy with the amount of coldness it is. I would rather not have more. I mean, honestly, it's like... I would like the weather to be warmer, but the weather being warmer would mean, like, bad things for the environment. Tomo boy, what are you doing? I have a bird, for anyone who doesn't know. His name's Tomo. Yeah, it's too chilly. It's pretty chilly in my room. It's getting a little better. I asked my family to turn on the heating and it seems to be coming through now. But yeah, what do you guys think of the question of the day? What's your favorite smell? Hello, Tomo. He says hi. He's a little touchy lately. I'm not sure why. It's probably the cold. It's probably a little chilly in here for Australia native birdie. But that's alright. He'll be fine. Your favorite smell? We were talking a little bit earlier. I was thinking... oh, campfire is a good smell. Fresh baked bread. That's like the basic answer, but genuinely so good. Cucumber melon was mentioned. I don't remember. There were a couple other things. Oh, I was saying Ghost Town. Lovely little community for building up fellow creatives. I've recently joined in as a council member. One of the people who sort of decides things and helps out in there. So I'm running a little housewarming party for moving into the Ghost Town. And we're gonna have other council members from the Ghost Town on the stream. We're gonna be doing an Aggie board, like a big collaborative art board, and web fishing. I'm excited. It's gonna be a good time. Good stuff all around. You're at the equator, it's 90 Fahrenheit every day. Oof. That's a little much for the winter. Here, you can borrow some of my cold. I understand it kind of works the other way around. Boop. You want to say hi, Birdie Bird? You got anything to say? No. Sweet birdie. Okay, let's draw flowers. Yeah, I wanted to draw these ones so that I could get a better sense of, like, angles. The angles on the flower. I forgot to set a timer, too. Toma can sing, what a sweetie. Absolutely, you missed it earlier. He did, like, a whole minute-long track or something. See you later, buddy. 30 minutes on here. I go. If you guys want to draw along with me, I put the references to these flower pictures in my Discord server in the announcements channel. Announcements. Nope, wrong one. Discord. Yeah, Discord. Discord. I promise I wasn't doing it on purpose. The Discord. I put these pictures in the announcements channel in the Discord. If you guys are drawing along with me, then we can share what you made on stream. Sound good? Okay, let's see. I think I want to scooch this a little bit, actually. I think we'll make it smaller, too. Yeah. I'm kind of loosely, yeah, the Discord server. I'm kind of loosely trying to do no erase, but I'm not that stressed about it. Like, if I want to erase a little, then it's okay. Erase or undo. But the point is to try to focus on making the strokes right the first time. Long live the Discord server. Server. We're a little silly here. What an interesting pattern. Thanks for hanging out, Saito. It was wonderful to hang out with you again. Have a good night. Tuck you in, give you a little pat on the head. Make these weird things. These weird spindly things. It looks a little bit like bacteria, the way I'm drawing it. You know, like you look in a microscope and it's like, whoa. This is so calming, actually. Maybe I should try drawing flowers when I'm feeling stressed or upset. I don't know, would I get worked up if if they don't look good if I try drawing flowers when I'm stressed or upset? I don't know, I guess I have to find out. Quick, guys, make me stressed or upset. You're so calming! Thank you, Wastes! Nice to know I'm calming. Sort of fill in the area. I am calm. Words of somebody who is not calm. Yeah, I'd say that looks alright. Okay, let me do this little number. Oops, I did it wrong. Let me see. Oh, battery's dying. Better plug the boy in. I'm carrying 2 chargers around with me lately now because I'm also carrying. See, I'm usually carrying my iPad around. So I need the USB-C charger for that. But also, my tablet. My little tablet that I'm using for reading the Transformers comics. Whoop. It doesn't reach. It don't reach. Maybe if I pick this thing up and put it here. Shimmy jimmy things around. Not really. Yeah, that's not gonna work. What about... Aha! Turn the iPad upside down. That'll do it. You'd think I'd maybe ran into this issue before, or... You'd think I would charge my iPad before I have to stream and use my iPad for the stream? You'd think I would do that. Sorry, my neck is breaking. Yeah, this is the piece of art that we were working on. Looks a little different because my iPad's at a little different perspective with the direction that it is. I also didn't have my pop filter up down this whole time. I keep doing that. I keep forgetting to put my pop filter down before I stream. Yeah, we'll do it like that. Keep people guessing your next move. That's true. Next thing you know, I show up to stream and my VTuber is a pop filter. Excuse me, how about that, huh? Next stream, oh my god. Can't get a sentence out with some without some biological function happening, huh? Next stream I'll show up and sneeze out loud without apologizing. Keep people on their toes. Yeah, this one... I thought this would be simple, but it's actually... complex. Quite complex. You call it an apartment complex, but actually I find it quite simple. That's why I started laughing, because that joke popped into my head. Yeah, you know, the center looks alright, but the petals are odd. Suppose it's looking alright. I mean, the leaves, or the petals, just aren't looking how I want them to, I suppose. More puns. You telling me a wood fired this pizza? No, there's a whole there's a whole meme. There we go. I'll let you guys soak it in. Chef's kiss? Do they really? Yeah, wood-fired pizza? How's pizza gonna get a job now? What's upstairs? They can't talk. The bird flu? Yeah, they tend to do that. No, the chef's kiss one is the best. That's absolutely the best one. Good meme. We're ignoring the one in the corner. I got to use the bird flu one with my friends. It's pretty good. Yeah, they tend to do that. It's looking a little better now. It just feels like, how am I supposed to be able to properly portray the beauty of nature? I had my chance and took it. It's a good one. It's a good one. I wonder if I'm running out of steam. At least art steam, maybe. How am I supposed to capture the infinite natural beauty? Am I capable? Am I qualified to do that? That's my struggle with flowers. I'm gonna use the big. Well, I keep hiccuping. Yeah, maybe this will look better with a little shading on it. See, it doesn't look very round. I mean, I suppose Here, what happens if we liquefy? It's cheating. It is. It's a little bit cheating. In a like a full piece, it's not cheating. In a study, it is cheating. It's supposed to be me learning how to draw these things, not pretending I already know. The jump catch booty. Wow, lucky you. Easy, you put pen to canvas and your infinite beauty will spill on its own. The more you paint, the more it will spill. That's so wise. That's such wisdom, Chris Paul. And I'm not sure whether you mean the more you paint, the more beautiful it is. And I don't know if you mean it as in like the more time you spend on a given piece, the more it'll show, or like the more time you spend just practicing and drawing. Because honestly, both are true. I mean, sometimes with certain pieces, there's a, you know, there comes a time when you gotta call it. There's not much left to be done with that would actually improve things. But yeah, it's practice makes perfect. Doing things like studies like this helps you improve, which is why I'm doing these flower studies anyway, because I want to be better at drawing flowers. Both, yeah, absolutely, both are true. I want to be better at drawing flowers, and this is how you do it. Oh, I see. Yeah, the angles are kind of off. That's the issue that I was having, or a bit of it at least. Whenever someone's like, I can't draw because I don't know how, or I could only draw stick figures. Hi, Beanie! Ooh, you have to show me something? Send it to me on Discord, and I'll look. I will use my peepers to peep at it. Beep! 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 They just announced the worst Shockwave toy of all time. Ooh, yeah, show me, show me. Okay, sweet. We got Shockwave. He looks great. He looks cool. And he does this. Is this supposed to be some sort of vehicle? Buddy, are you alright? He's taking a nap. He put his feet together and he's taking a nap. Spaceship. He... Yeah, true. Yeah, this is, woof. I mean, at least he looks pretty cool like this. Like, this is neat. That's not bad. But, this is rough. Looks like a cat napping on its belly. He's having a snooze. Does his head just pop into his torso and... Or... There's no elbow or knee joints? Oh, yeah. Dang. You're right. That little spot right there, there's no joint there. Woof. Like, maybe his, like... Sure, his hands pull in. Oh yeah, and he's got his arm straight up like that. No, Shockwave. My tiny, well, he's not tiny, but my small little Shockwave I've got is better than that. Wow. That's sad. I feel bad, I just read the... Yeah, go ahead and call him that. This thing is a foot tall and retails for $10, I guarantee it. Ugh. Sad. Our poor timer. Our poor neglected timer. Yeah, that's unfortunate. They just announced that. Why do they still make bad toys? They should just make all of their new ones good. Can we tell Hasbro only good toys allowed from now on? It's been a big conversation in recent years, really. Do they keep making bad ones? And it's not like it's a character that we don't have any other toys of. We've had Soundwaves forever. And so there's just like no reason to get this. 6 steps. Step 1, pop his head in. Step 2, rotate one of his arms backwards. Step 3, rotate the other arm backwards. Step 4, put one of his hands in. Step 5, put his other hand in. Step 6, stick his legs together. The $10 kid-targeted stuff you find at Dollar General and the 50th anniversary new Optimus Prime toy is what pays for your highly articulated collector-oriented stuff. Oh. People complaining, why are they making a 5th Optimus Prime this year? Don't understand that those need to happen for Hasbro to make your Glup Shido. Exactly. Yeah, I still don't have an Optimus Prime. I need one. I kind of want the, like, just the counterpart to my little core class Nemesis Prime. There we go. Nope, I did wrong. There we go. Yeah, no, that's fair. But, like, does anybody really want that Shockwave, though? Does anybody actually want that? Remind me later, I'll send you some recommendations for some good booty. Buzzbot, no! This is the best thing Buzzbot has ever done. No, sweetie, you can't. You can't. It's PG-13 stream, you can't say that. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. This song is so tranquil. You and I don't care, but Johnny 5-year-old is gonna form some core memories with it after his mom buys it from Walgreens. And then he'll see another Shockwave somewhere else and be like, Mom, let me get this one. And then he'll find out that it's way better than the other one. Although I suppose I kind of have this experience because you told me that about my little Nemesis Prime that people don't find it a really, like, anything interesting of a toy. But he's my favorite little guy just because he's small and evil. I don't know. I like him. So maybe I get it. Walgreens. It's true though. Yeah, I just read the Shockwave Spotlight comic. It was very fun to see the the Dinobots brawl with him. And he's like, why are they mad at me? This doesn't make sense. Okay. I'm gonna go crazy for a sec. Walgreens gets exclusives? That's crazy. Amusingly, Walgreens exclusive Transformers are almost always Medic characters like Ratchet. That's cool. Everyone has a little Johnny 5-year-old inside them. Yours just happens to love middle of the road core class toys. It's true. You've got me pinned. Well, yeah, middle of the road core class toys is what I can find at the toy store for 10 bucks. So it's just the way it is. Every Target exclusive character was red. That's fun. Now they have the buzzworthy Bumblebee line, which is just an excuse to put weird little repaints on retail shelves. That sounds delightful. Yeah, see you later for movie. Bye bye, Beanie. I was about to say bye bye, Cheesecake. That's not right. That's me. What the heck? What the hey? know, painting in the little shading in the stripes and stuff, that is pretty soothing. Boom, 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 boom. I think after we're done with this flower, we'll wrap up for the night. What is this one? I don't know if I recognize it. Music. Oh, The Hustle. Yeah. We'll kick it up a little bit too. Do the hustle. Very nice. Keeps turning down the brightness. There we go, much better. I think what I'm also gonna do with this one, take some white and do a little highlights. Throwing in some cheeky highlights is the best thing about using neutral toned background. A cheeky highlight here and there. Something about it makes me want to do traditional art. I gotta do some traditional art on stream sometime. That sounds like fun. Touch over there. It seems like a lot of people found my stream today. A lot of new faces. If you're still here, I hope you've enjoyed the stream so far. It was nice to meet you. And if you're lurking, I hope you've been comfortable. This one has a big light spot here. I feel like I've been able to tap into a little bit of the divine creation of nature. Just a bit. That isn't actually there. And we'll put some here. Beautiful. I think that about does it. Not bad. It was a delightful day of doodling. A delightful doodling day. A real dang delightful doodling day. It turned out lovely, thank you, Waze. That's sweet of you. Aw, thanks, Anne. Yeah, there was points throughout the process where I wasn't sure, but I'm happy with it. I think it's sweet. Well, yippee! Thanks, Anne. I'm just a little guy now. I'm just a little yippee guy. Yeah, we got this one. This probably a dahlia is my guess. Oh, we'll put those two together. The daffodils. And the weird alien flower. I think this one was my favorite. Yippee for celebration! Yo, absolutely! Thanks for hanging out today, guys. Let's see who's rating. Oh my god, I said this like last week too. Let's see who's live so that we can rate out. Let's see. I think I've got an idea. And you said it was only a doodle at the start? Yeah. I get carried away. That's what I do. Okay. We're going to raid out to... Let me type it in. There we go, I'm back. We're gonna raid out to Beanie, a good friend of the stream, silly little goober, and today playing Gurumin: A Monstrous Adventure. This neat little, it used to be a PC game actually, but it's this cute little RPG that has cute little characters and all that. This is an 18+ stream, so if you're not 18 yet, unfortunately, I'm sure there's plenty of other streams that are wonderful that you could hang out in. But this one is 18+. So yeah, we're gonna say hi to Beanie. Let's get the raid call going. Go ahead and copy that and send it in to Beanie's stream once we get there. If you're not subscribed, and then we'll do this one if you are subscribed. There we go. And we'll go give Beanie a warm welcome. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll do more art. We'll do some pixels. Remember to always love yourselves and love each other and love the world. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye.